Welcome to Chillin' 101. We hope this video helps.
You start by opening Settings and heading straight to Controls. You pick a layout, classic, compact, or custom, because placement affects reaction time and comfort. Once done, toggle your preferred controller scheme and enable any helper toggles like Auto Lock or Skill Assist. Make sure to test touch sensitivity briefly in practice. This first step gets the controller framework in place. It's the foundation for precise adjustments that follow, so don't skip testing before you move on. Now you customize button positions, sizes, and opacity. Drag each skill and the joystick to your thumb zones to reduce travel time. Next, tweak camera and skill sensitivity sliders. Higher means faster but less precision, lower gives steadier aim. Assign short press or long press behavior for burst skills where available. Once you finish, run a few champion drills in practice mode to verify reach and response. This middle phase balances speed versus control, so you save your layout and immediately jump into training or a low-stakes match to stress test the setup. Watch for missed skills or awkward stretches, then make small incremental changes rather than large overhauls. If controls feel unresponsive, check for touch input lag, clear app cache, close background apps, or lower graphics to reduce system load. If problems persist, revert to default and reapply one change at a time. One key tip: back up screenshots of your layout so you can restore quickly if you need to reset.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.